Sony Pictures Classics has acquired North America, Australia, New Zealand, Latin America, Scandinavia, South Africa and India rights to Victor Kossakovskys' Aquarela, a documentary that had its world premiere at the Venice Film Festival. The deal reunites SPC and producer Participant Media, which deemed on last year's foreign language Oscar winner A Fantastic Woman. Kossakovskys' pick, filmed at 96 frames per second, takes audiences on a cinematic journey through the transformative beauty and raw power of water, a wake-up call that humans are no match for the sheer force of Earth's most precious element. A 2019 theatrical release is planned. The UK-Germany-Denmark production is produced by Amory Rakes, Heino Deckert and Sigrid Deicher and co-produced by Jocelyn Barnes, Susan Rockefeller, Emil Hertling-Beranar. Executive producers included Jeff Skoll, Diane Weyerman, Mark Thomas, Isabel Davis, Sazan Asfari, Maya Sandbar, Madge Bray, Matthias Ehrenberg, and Frank Lehman.
Endeavor Content and Lionsgate International are handling international sales, with Endeavor Content negotiating the SPC deal on behalf of Participant Media. Previous SPC participant documentary tie-ups include Merchants of Doubt, Standard Operating Procedure, and Jimmy Carter Man from Plains.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.